Hey guys, I am Carey, a Canva certified creative. I've been seeing this question floating around and I just want to answer it for you and show you how you can do this. The question is, can I schedule posts from Canva to my favorite social media account? And the answer is yes. So it's one of those newest features in Canva that you want to be utilizing to help you to save time pretty much, but it's only available in Canva Pro. So if you don't have Canva Pro, chances are you're going to think about upgrading just for this awesome feature. Here's how you can schedule your very own post from Canva using Canva Mobile. So you're going to open Canva, of course, then you're going to scroll to one of your previous designs, or if you desire, you can create a brand new design. I'm using one of my previous designs to show you how you can schedule the post. You're going to select the share icon, which is at the top right hand corner. You're going to look for the icon that says schedule. Choose the date and the time you want to schedule this particular graphic. You're going to choose a channel, the format in which you want to post that content, and of course you have the option to put in your caption. I must note that you should already be connected to the social media channel of your choice, and it's pretty simple. So once you have all of that completed, then you prepared, the design is prepared, and it is pretty much scheduled. There's an awesome feature that is connected to the schedule feature, which is the content planner, which pretty much gives you an overview of all the content that you have scheduled in Canva. It's that simple, guys.